slide slow beneath the skin. Every move pulls deeper in. Breathing soft, your eyes confess what your lips could never get. Fingers trace along my spine. Your rhythm melts into mine. Every sigh a quiet spark. Two shadows moving in the dark. Stay there, just like that. Slow build, lose your name and lose your fear. Let the sound erase your ears. Every breath a secret sign. In your arms I lose my line. Breathe you in, slow and deep. Every promise that we keep. Hold my heart, make it stay. Let the night just drift away. Breathe you in, feel the fire. Feed my soul, forbidden desire. No escape, no rewind. Just your soul inside of mine. Your touch is light but burns below. I taste the heat, I feel it grow. In this haze we disappear. Only rhythm keeps us near. Your breath falls soft upon my neck. The world dissolves, there's no regret. Every sound becomes a sin. Every look pulls me in. Heartbeats meet in steady time. Every move a silent rhyme. Push and pull me through the wave. Let the night be what we crave. Don't stop, keep it slow.